Don't stop, shit it, get it. Deep higher captains in it, steady, watch me navigate. Don't stop, shit it, get it. Deep higher captains in it, steady, watch me navigate.
Okay, so this is a 96 thermostat I got out of the junkyard. I wanted to go to this because it has this temperature sensor, which I'm going to run my electric fans off of. So first step is getting all the old gasket off and clean it up. And I'm just using a razor blade at the moment. It's really not doing so well right now. Okay, so I got all the old gasket off. Now there's quite a few shavings down into there. So I'm going to use the air compressor and blow them out. There you go. Okay, so I went through and painted it all, make it look pretty. And now it's time to put some RTV on this and put your gasket on, then your thermostat, and put it in. Got that. Find which way this goes. This way. Okay. Then what I like to do is grab your bolts, put it in there like that, put it in there just like that. Now let it set for like a couple minutes. Okay, it's about time. Now I'll pull these bolts out, just like that. Now I'll put another layer on there. Just like this. And one thing I like to do is just put a dab about right there, and that will hold the thermostat in. Where do you put this in? So the thermostat, the pointed edge, goes down into this housing like that. Alright. Okay, so grab your 2 bolts. Now put this in, just like this. This one started. And put it in just like that. I'll get that one started. Now I'll get this bottom one started. Side here. There you go. Alright. Now these are 13mm bolts. So I'll go grab that and okay, now tighten this down. You don't want to tighten this down really tight or you'll crack this housing, which is kind of bad. Okay, now do the bottom one. There you go. Now I'll do okay. Now I'll check the bottom one. Okay, let's do it good. Now take your sensor, drop it in, just like that. And then take your pigtail and put it in there. And that's it. Pretty easy. Yep. Hey guys, thanks for watching. That's how you put a thermostat on your 4-liter. If you guys want to support me, I have these steering box spacers for sale. I'll put a link in the description down below, where you could buy these on eBay. Yeah, if you want to do that, go support me. It will be highly appreciated. And let's go. Walk fingers. Yes, walk fingers.